What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're gonna go up to my parents' place and throw a couple ball joints into their 08 Challenger. They've been loose for quite some time now, about 6 months I think. So today we're gonna go throw them in. I'm gonna cruise up there right now and we'll see you up there. You're not having so much fun anymore. No. Uh-oh. Alright guys, so we're up at my parents' place now. We're gonna get these things in. Apparently my dad's not having fun anymore. So, what's going on with this?
Bolts? Can't get the bolts out.
You can't get the bolts out?
No, one bolt.
Oh, because of the spring? That bolt right in there. Yeah. Spring's right in the way.
One I can't get out over there too. That's going to be a nightmare. Get two people on this one because the nut's turning. I can ratchet, but it's not ratcheting because
the other side's spinning.
Well,
and you can't be in two places at once.
No. So,
it's kind of hard. Sometimes you need two people working on cars. Sometimes it's impossible to do it on your own.
So now we got to get that bolt out of here. This thing goes up against here so that it doesn't turn. And it's jammed up against there now.
So we're going to fight this for a little bit. And we'll pick this up in a little bit once we get this bolt out of here. So the way that you're going to get that one bolt out of there is you're going to take these off for the strut mount. And to get those out, the strut will drop down and the bolt will fall out of there like nothing. Oh, wrong way. Gotta go the right way, that helps. And that, guys, is how that comes out. You fight, you swear at it, and then it comes out. They got better bushings in them. They look better, stronger.
They look
and
way stronger.
And greasable, so even better. So better quality than a Moog one, eh?
That's what they tell me.
Bumper to bumper, that's where these guys came from. Here. Alright, so we got that one in. We got that one in. Now let's get the nuts on there. We got that done. We're going to get this ball joint set up in the right spot. Take that boot off.
Yes.
That's a protector. So that's in like
it
that.
fits a little better without the protector.
Tighten those ones up so this one will fit. So about 40 peka-pekas, and that's torqued to factory specifications for the upper strut mount.
This is my protector. I won't be replacing them again. That side. I gotta think of a way to tighten this with a double wrench. Go through this hole here.
Perfect. Look at this passenger side. That's apparently way worse than the other side. There's really not that much room down in that little teeny weeny hole. So that one's already off right there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this off because I know we're going to have to take... Oh, I need a bar. Or screwdriver. Or screwdriver, that'll work too. Or no, it won't. It's too bendy. So I'll pop this guy right here. Like so.
I'm thinking, so good enough. Keep going with it.
This way.
You want to go back towards the car.
Towards the motor. Ouch! Alright guys, so there's not really that much room in here to get out this bolt, but you just gotta get this brace out of here.
You know what's funny? Is
And out it comes.
that was the worst nut to get off.
And the worst nut is right there. Put that in the cap. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fight that bolt and getting that out of there again.
So let's get this thing off.
Which thing?
That's how I did it.
Just like that. Alright, so that's how you get upper ball joint off of the steering knuckle. Now we get to fight these bolts again. Maybe they'll just fall out. I think this side's just gonna fall out. And so passenger side control arm bolts are really easy. Paper thin.
It's light.
The new ones, and they're like beefier, and they're just so much better. Just as a comparison, we've got stock side, we got new side. I bet you this is gonna stiffen the front end of this car up too. It'll handle so much better. We got our nut back onto this guy right here. Whoop! Ah, there we go.
What are we gonna do now?
Hang on, I'm double wrenching.
Oh, okay. No, you can get in there?
Nope.
Where did you go? 14 peck-a-peckers?
20 shots of grease, about 10 peck-a-peckers, and it's done. Look at that. That's pretty good. So what you want to do is you want to grease it until your ball joint boot starts bulging. And so now we're just going to get these upper strut bolts back in, which they didn't really actually need to come undone on the passenger side, just on the driver's side. Then we'll get this tie bar back in, there on the ground, and give you guys a few glamour shots of the car sitting in the driveway.
Oh yeah, sure.
Gotta go the right way.
This would be the
Nope. Helps if you're on them too. You kind of got to be on them.
a little bit, sometimes. Okay, let's put this bar back in.
That hole. This hole. And then the two bolts that are in the cap.
That side's all lined up.
Yep. 1, 2. Two. Alright guys, so now we're just going to get the car on the ground and we are done with this. That's how you put in some upper control arms in an 08 Challenger. Alright guys, so everything's in. We're just going to hop in the car and go for a road test right now. And make sure everything's all good. Shouldn't have to do an alignment, but we will see how that goes.
Sounds quiet already.
Because usually right now it would be like clunking.
Yeah.
All these little tiny bumps you'd hear like clunk, 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 clunk. Oh, that's bright. I should have brought... Oh, I didn't bring them. Damn.
I got mine.
Damn.
Well, it's not conking anymore.
Nicer sounding than it was.
There's no noise now.
That's something else.
Lower ball joints.
No, I don't think it's lower ball joints. I heard these things are really bad for lower control arms. The control arm bushings. And when we had that down, it did look like it was moving a little bit more than it should be.
Okay.
So it might be lower control arm bushings. Those aren't fun to do, I don't think. she gets up.
We'll get the green light anyway.
That's good.
As long as this guy's gonna go through. I think it's tight.
It drives okay, like it's not
Steer's very
pulling.
good. No, no,
Did you torque the wheels?
no. Yeah, torque, back. Go around a couple of corners down here.
Oh, these corners, yes. I like these corners. These are good corners down here. Scared that guy. He's like, oh my god! Oh, thank god it's not a Mustang. He's not gonna hit me.
A little chip around the corner.
And it's a bumpy cornery road too.
Oh, she's nice. Feels really good on the road. Yeah, that's much better.
Oh, that before would have been bang, bang, bang,
Oh.
bang, bang, bang. That would have been just terrible.
Yeah, she's golden brown.
Yeah, that solved the world's problems. That did.
We knew
Well,
we knew that was
We
going to be.
knew that was like 6 months ago or more, maybe. I don't know. I can't remember how long ago it was.
It's better than replacing it right away, and then you end up with replacing it right away again. You know, like just take your time, and it'll come nicely around. You know, it's sunshine.
Oh, boy, that sun is
That's
perfect.
bad.
There we go. How's that? That's a little bit better. Alright guys, well, looks like replacing those ball joints solved the problems with having clankety-clankities going over the bumps. She handles better, those control arms, it does feel tighter in the front end, so those are definitely worth picking up if you got no weight Challenger or in that generation. I'm not too sure on the year, 'cause you know me, I'm a Mustang guy.
09?
Oh, it's an 09?
09.
Oh shit. Alright, well,
You're only out by a year.
I'm only
Not
out by a
bad.
year. 08, 09, it's the same thing. There's no difference really between them. So I'm gonna wrap this video up and have a great day. Peace.